Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this rectangle ABCD that consists of a bunch of triangles, as you can see in this diagram, such that the area of this triangle ADE is 243 centimeter square. The area of this another triangle ECF is 108 centimeter square. And finally, the area of this another triangle FBA is 135 centimeter square. And moreover, this segment DE is equal to this segment CF. And now our task is to calculate the area of this pink shaded triangle AFE. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our action plan. Since we are interested in calculating the area of this pink shaded triangle, to make things simple, let's label the area of this shaded triangle ADE is AS of 1. The area of this triangle ECF I'm going to label as AS of 2. And finally, the area of this triangle ABF I'm going to label it as AS of 3. Then we can see that the area of this pink shaded triangle is going to be equal to the area of this rectangle ABCD minus the sum of these areas AS of 1, AS of 2 and AS of 3. So therefore now our task is to calculate the area of this rectangle ABCD. And now let's recall the area of a rectangle formula. Area equals to length times width. And now we can see that this AB is the length of this rectangle, and this AD is the width of this rectangle as well. So therefore now our task is to calculate this length AB and this length AD first. Before we proceed any further, let me go over the basic concept review. And here's our very first concept. Let's focus on these two triangles, the red triangle and the blue triangle, and both of them has same height. And moreover, the base of this red triangle is P, the base of this blue triangle is Q. And since both of these triangles have same height, then we conclude that the ratio of the area of these two triangles is going to be equal to the ratio of their bases, as you can see in this equation. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this segment DE. Let me label this one as X. Then this segment CF is going to be X as well. And now let's recall this concept on the ratio of the area of these two triangles equal to the ratio of their bases. And now we are going to focus on these two triangles ADE and this other triangle ECF. Since these side length are equal, so therefore we're going to have a ratio of their areas equal to the ratio of their these side lengths. So therefore we can write AD divided by AC equal to the ratio of their areas 243 and 108. And if we reduce this 243 divided by 108, that gives us 9 divided by 4, as you can see in this next step. So therefore we can write that this side AD is going to be 9 times some positive integer k, and EC is going to be equal to 4 times constant k as well. So therefore we can see the ratio of these two sides are 9 to 4. And also let's make an observation. We can see that this segment CF is going to be less than this side AD. Let's assume our k value is 1. If k value is 1, then this side length is going to become 9 times 1 is 9, and this side, when we plug it in k equals to 1 value, that is going to become 4. And if this side length is 4, the area is 108, then we can easily find this x value. And the area of the triangle formula is a half times the base times height. And here our area is 108 equal to 1 over 2 times our base is 4 and our height is x. So therefore we can write 108 equals to 2 times x. Let's divide both sides by 2. So therefore our x value turns out to be 54. So therefore this side length CF turns out to be 54. And now we know that this thing is not possible, since this side length is bigger than this AD, which is 9. So therefore k equals to 1 value is not going to work. And if we try k equals to 2 value, it is not going to work either. So therefore we are going to try k equals to 3 value. Then this 9k is going to become 27. And here if we replace k by 3, this becomes 4 times 3 becomes 12. And now this time our this side length is 12. The area is 108, and we are going to find this x value. So let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this triangle formula. So we got 108 equals to 1 divided by 2 times 12 times x. If we simplify, that is going to give us 108 equal to 6x. Let's divide by 6, so therefore x value turns out to be 18. So therefore we can see that our this x value turns out to be 18, and this segment is indeed smaller than this segment AD, which is 27. If this x value is 18, then this x value is going to be 18 as well. So therefore this segment DE is 18, and this side AD is 27. Now let's go ahead and find out whether these values 27 and 18 are correct by just plugging in this triangle formula. So let's go ahead and plug it in. We can see that this 243 area, I'm going to write down on this side, equals to question mark 1 divided by 2 times 18 times 27. And now we can see that both sides are equal. So therefore this is a true statement. So therefore we conclude that x equals to 18 value is perfectly alright. And now we can see that this whole length DC is going to be 18 plus 12, and that is going to give us 30. If this side length of the rectangle is 30, then this side length AB is going to be 30 as well. So therefore the length of this rectangle turns out to be 30, and the width is 27. And now let's recall the area of rectangle formula once again. Area equals to length times width. So therefore the rectangle ABCD area is going to be 30 times 27, and if we multiply, that is going to give us 810. And now let's recall this equation once again. The pink triangle area equals to rectangle ABCD area minus the sum of these areas A sub 1, A sub 2 and A sub 3. And here we can see that all these sum of these three areas, A sub 1, A sub 2 and A sub 3, if we add these individual areas, that turns out to be 486. And now we are going to fill in the blanks. Our this rectangle ABCD area is 810, and this sum of these areas is 486. So therefore this pink triangle area is going to be 810 minus 486, and if we subtract this thing, that is going to give us 324. So thus the area of this big triangle turns out to be 324 centimeters square. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.